We are revolutionizing ERP knowledge through a 24-hour AI miracle. Professionals Lobby launches ERPEDIA, the definitive encyclopedia of ERP, built at the speed of thought. We address the enterprise software crisis, where large technology investments often fail due to governance issues. This is driven by an information gap, a governance void, and the financial shock of hidden long-term costs. Introducing structured ERP intelligence for decision-makers. ERPEDIA is independent, neutral, and a risk mitigation hub. It offers comprehensive scope covering governance, architecture, and compliance. We orchestrated an AI workforce in under 24 hours. The process involved 4 phases: validation, structuring, architecture, and output, demonstrating a coordinated AI workflow that handles tasks traditionally requiring weeks of analyst work. ERPEDIA maps the complete ERP knowledge framework. It covers everything from fundamentals and financial modeling to implementation strategy, technical architecture, vendor intelligence, and specific industry applications. The content is tailored for the UAE and GCC regulatory landscape. ERPEDIA is the definitive guide to regional localization, addressing taxation frameworks, digital mandates like e-invoicing, and specific localization needs such as multi-currency support. The ERP diagnostics compares the legacy risk against the ERPEDIA standard. We replace vendor-driven pitches and fragmented information with independent, structured advisory frameworks and transparent ROI modeling. We explore the frontier of enterprise resource automation, or ERA. ERPEDIA maps the evolution from traditional resource planning to AI-native, autonomous systems, including agentic AI and hyper-automation. ERPEDIA provides strategic value across the C-suite. For CEOs, it ensures technology aligns with business scaling and long-term ROI. For CFOs, it provides control and compliance. For IT leaders, it ensures robust architecture and cybersecurity. Elevate your ERP decision-making today. Explore the Encyclopedia, request an independent advisory interview, and connect with the experts. Visit the platform at professionalslobby.com/ERPEDIA today.